Hello guys, I'll show you how to locate your missing Zoan in Cryptozoon. If, if you misclick this one, training, and then you just put accidentally here, you click it here, and then click your Zoan, and then put 100, and then or 1000, and then you forgot or copied the NFT number, so it's very hard to find this if you don't know, if you don't memorize or save this number. So if you thought your Zoan is missing, this is just a quick rundown. So find your missing Zoan. If you can remember your Zoan's rarity, me is I got rare one, and then it's level 3 already. I have two rare one with level 3. So but I forgot which tribe my Zoan. So I just click four tribes, and then I just scroll down. You can find your own Zoan there's if if this bayag change it to cancel listing. If there's a cancel listing, that is your Zoan. So I just a quick rundown of number one. So I have 46 left to scroll down. See, I got it. My first Zoan in page three. So I can cancel this, but right now I will not. So I will continue searching my second Zoan. Second Zoan. See, I found my last Zoan, my second Zoan. It's in the 11th place. So that's it. It's easy to find your missing Zoan. I hope I hope you can find your Zoan in Cryptozone. I hope it can help you with finding your Zoan. Bye for now. Bye.